Hello, good morning. Welcome to Wellbuilt Delivery Kitchen 3215. Wellbuilt is one of the world's leading innovators, designers and manufacturers of high quality professional food service equipments and systems. Our products and offerings are best in class and are inspired by simplicity and powered by expertise encompassing the ice, hot and cold beverage dispensing, refrigeration, bulk cooking, combination cooking, deep fat frying, conveyor cooking, high speed cooking and refrigeration. Some of our iconic best-in-class brands have been servicing most of the top leading fast food operators, restaurant chains, convenience stores, production systems and even delivery kitchens. In the last 7 to 8 months, all of us got heavily impacted by COVID-19, which is once in a century event. In view of the social distancing norms, restaurant business was one of the worst affected businesses. The only silver lining was the cloud or delivery kitchens, which was somewhat less impacted. The good thing is this cloud and delivery kitchen business is also expected to grow exponentially over the next couple of months or even couple of years. Due to this growth, many new operators will be coming into this business. It is this in mind, Wellbuilt, with over 8 decades in experience in serving almost all conceivable food service operations, we decided to have this seminar of 3215. In a cloud kitchen business, the end consumer is expecting hot, freshly cooked food to be delivered to him in the shortest period of time, and he also trusts the owner or expects the owners to maintain high standards of hygiene and sanitation, more so in today's world. 3215 addresses all of that. Let me explain what it means. 2 of our very talented chefs over the next 30 minutes would be preparing 15 menu items and serving to the customers. Customers who have used our equipment, or what we can assure you, whenever customers, cloud kitchen customers use our equipments, they can expect up to 40% saving in utilities, which is electric or gas consumption, using at least a 30% lower space and a 30% less manpower. In fact, it will not be out of place to mention here that some of our customers, once using our equipment, have been able to turn around the investment within 9 to 12 months and have increased their sales volume. I don't want to take much of your time. Let me introduce my 2 talented chefs, Chef Ravinder Bisht on my left and Chef Sameer Kapoor on my right. I hope you guys enjoy the presentation and you find it very interesting. Thank you very much.
And as rightfully said, that we'll be using the Mini to do bulk cooking. In account with the Mini, where we can do most of our mise en place as we will be doing today, the mise en place such as boiled potatoes, dals, rice, vegetables, etc. has to be finished on an induction. And that's where Garland comes in. Garland inductions have an advantage that they can also be in built-in versions. So when I need French fries, what goes well with the French fries is a burger or a sandwich. If you agree, chef.
Agreed, chef.
So whenever you order a burger or a sandwich, you want the order to come to you quickly. And to help with that, I have our MeiChef high-speed ovens. And when I talk high speed, I mean speed. So this particular model is our E4 and is 15 times faster than any conventional method. All of them have the Easy Touch interface. So the Easy Touch interface is a touch-enabled interface just like the icons in your smartphone and can save up to 1024 recipes, chef. I would like to thank our food partner for the day who have been kind and generous enough to provide us with all the food. I would like to invite Mr. Vineet Gupta to say a few words.
Hi, I'm Vineet Gupta, representing Grabathought Hospitality Private Limited. We are a food service company, a professional food service company that provides food solutions to customers who have the capability to sell food but lack the capability and space to produce it there. We provide food solutions in a manner which helps them regenerate the food, whether it's in semi-cooked or cooked form, with the help of this equipment that you see behind me. And this kind of equipment will help you to regenerate the food which helps you save money in terms of inventory, wastages, and any kind of cuisine that you require can be put together in one single unit. I would like to hand over now to the chefs who will easily show you the food as well as the machinery and explain to you how the process works.
Thank you, chef. So we have two orders. One is veg pizza with a par baked base, and one is a non-veg pizza with a fresh base. With my Mary Chef, it takes very less time in terms of cooking a pizza itself.
Okay.
Whenever we cook a pizza in a convection oven, how much time do you think it takes?
So chef, it is a fresh dough pizza. Generally, it takes about 10 minutes of time.
Chef, if you are expecting 10 minutes to cook a pizza, then I can say that's a lot of time, and you'll be surprised to hear that in the Mary Chef, it takes 3 minutes.
3 minutes, chef.
Exactly, chef. So chef, as you can see that at present, I'm standing so close to my oven. I can actually hug my oven. It's so cold. But inside, the oven is 250 degrees. And I can use the same temperature to cook my pizza in just 3 minutes. And you know what, chef? The Mary Chef is so fast that at present, I have assembled a pizza. I'll get just 1 minute to assemble my biryani as well.
That's great, chef. That's great.
So, as I said, the Mary Chef is so fast that it can allow you to have 2 biryanis at the same time. So even my biryanis, 2 of them,
Or 2 biryanis at a time, chef.
so it took 4.5 minutes, and wow.
Wow, chef.
So 4.5 minutes, you can see, just look at the steam, chef. Just look at the steam which is coming out of the biryani itself. And that's the power of a Mary Chef. I can work my 8-hour or 9-hour shift with ease. And as you said, I have the orders for 1 chicken as well as 1 paneer tikka. Here goes my paneer tikka.
That's great, chef.
Chef, my Mary Chef does not let me take a breather. It cooks my orders so fast. So here you can see 2 minutes, paneer tikkas are also done.
2 minutes,
2 minutes, that's all it takes.
That's great, chef.
Chef, by the time you could not even have explained to me what or how a garland induction helps you out, the parathas are already done.
Thank you, chef.
Cleaning is something which I don't like to do much, but it is very important. It is the most important task to be done in terms of equipment. It increases their life as well as keeps everything hygienic. My wok tossed noodles are also ready to go with the, Chinese combo.
Okay.
And we can just plate those and they are ready to go. So you saw that by using smart, compact and energy efficient equipments like these, we 2 chefs were able to do all sorts of cooking of 15 menu items within 30 minutes. Hence, giving the value and the truth to the name 30-15. We hope you liked our presentation today, and I thank you all for pouring the questions as the presentation went on. We would like to have comments and constructive feedback as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you.